ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism. This is also culture related. Look, this simply refers to, जैसे culture समझ गए आप? What is culture? Yeah. This ethnocentrism simply refers to over obsession for our own culture. Over obsession for our own culture. Is it? जो भी हमारा culture है, उसके लिए if you become obsessed, isn't it? If you start believing कि my culture is supreme, superior, then like your orientation towards other cultures, you start considering other cultures as inferior. Yes, na? So this over obsession for our own culture refers as ethnocentrism. और इस concept को जानना इसलिए जरूरी है because we have to study, ethnic stratification. तो वहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि ये जो black and white ethnicity, isn't it? Black Americans and white Americans का, like inward orientation of white Americans, isn't it? है ना? Exploitative orientation towards black Americans, isn't it? Slavery and all, isn't it? So उसके core में क्या है? Ethnocentrism. जैसे colonial rule was established there and to legitimize their rule, exploitative rule, उन्होंने क्या बोला? कि Indians are whites men burden, right? The burden of civilizing Indians lies on whites men, isn't it? Getting our point? तो मतलब कि they were considering themselves as superior and Indians as inferior. Yes or no? Right. तो क्या हो गया कि white men superordinate and Indians subordinate. This is ethnic stratification. Indians का जहां भी अगर Indians को अलाउ भी किया उन्होंने सिविल सर्विसेज में लोअर ब्यूरोक्रेसी, ऑल हायर ब्यूरोक्रेसीज, डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट white men, judges, district judges white men, isn't it? Lawyers तुम रहो, Indians को lawyer बना दिया, but judiciary में colonial legacy ऐसा लोग कहते हैं कि still continues. मतलब limited को opportunity in judiciary, isn't it? तो ब्रिटिश काल में भी only white judges, yes ना, right? So this is because they believed themselves to be superior in their culture. अपने culture में उनको क्या था? Sense of superiority and that is referred as ethnocentrism, right? आज भी देखते हैं इंडिया में ethnocentrism. This is ethnocentrism, responsible for son of the soil movement. Do you know son of the soil? हाँ? जैसे in 1960s and 70s महाराष्ट्र में, अच्छा this is again good and bad पे नहीं जाएंगे. लुंगी वाला भगाओ movement, yes ना? लुंगी वाला means what? South Indians, isn't it? So, like Shiv Sainiks were mobilized, isn't it? So that for what? For protecting, yes, right? Marathi, right? Interest, Marathi culture, isn't it? Glorifying, Marathi culture, isn't it? Right? Maharashtra का. So that ethnocentrism and good and bad की बात नहीं है ना? आगे डिस्कस करेंगे कि इसमें मतलब देयर आर मेनी सोशल एस्पेक्ट्स, है ना? ऐसे ही कोई एथनोसेंट्रिक नहीं हो जाता या एथनिक सेंट्रिक मोबिलाइजेशन बिकॉज ऑफ फियर ऑफ लॉस ऑफ देयर कल्चर, यस ना? लैंग्वेज आज भी देखेंगे आप लैंग्वेज को लेके महाराष्ट्र में, यस ना? राइट? पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज एट टाइम्स, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का लीडर्स एट टाइम्स मोबिलाइज्ड ग्लोरीफाइंग मराठी, राइट? सो दैट इज, so anyways that is ethnocentric orientation, obsession for our own culture, right? आज आप देखेंगे तो one aspect, not absolute aspect, like मणिपुर के अंदर भी, right? Meiteis and Kukis being ethnocentric, yes ना? They are not culturally relative. Culturally relative नहीं है कि every culture is relatively superior, every culture is relatively good. ऐसा सेंस नहीं है. कल्चरल रिलेटिविज्म इज नॉट देयर, रादर ethnocentrism. Kukis glorifying their own concerns and cultures, Meiteis glorifying their own concerns and culture. They are not relative in their cultural orientation. जब आप relative होते आप ये मानते कि every culture is good or bad in its own respect. हर कल्चर में कुछ अच्छाइयां हैं और कुछ बुराइयां हैं. अगर ऐसा मानेंगे तो कुछ फाइट नहीं होगा, और अगर एथनोसेंट्रिक हो जाएंगे देन यू विल नॉट लुक एट yeah, evils in that culture, isn't it? Right, you will consider others culture as inferior culture, your own culture as superior culture, which also relates to conflict, है ना, which also relates to conflict, caste conflict also, उसमें भी एक एंगल आता है ethnocentrism का, है ना, notions of purity and pollution, some caste groups, you know, considering themselves as superior, you know, because of ritual purity, है ना, जो रिचुअल प्योरिटी है जो टेक्स्ट में लिखा हुआ है एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ, एंड सम अदर्स, यू नो, आर डिस्कार्डेड इन दैट रिस्पेक्ट, यू नो, डिस्टेंस्ड फ्रॉम अदर, राइट, एंड सो दैट लीड्स टू एट टाइम्स, यू नो, टेंशंस, इज इट? तो उस रिस्पेक्ट में इसको समझ लेना है आपको, एथनोसेंट्रिज्म. एथनोसेंट्रिज्म इज रीजनल development, regional development, yeah, it relates to development also, yes, it provides motivation for development of their own cultural region, yes na. एक other term है related to culture only, there are many terms related to culture, some terms I will discuss, you know, genocentrism, XENOCENT, genocentrism, right. अब ethnocentrism relates to obsession for our own culture, and genocentrism refers to obsession or likedness for others culture. जैसे orientation कनाडा चले जाएंगे, yes ना, right, तो orientation, you know, towards Britain, America, American dreams, isn't it? So that is basically likedness for others culture, है ना, other के culture को like करना, yes ना. इतने IITians आज जो अमेरिका के अंदर है, तो उनका ओरिएंटेशन कैसा? जेनोसेंट्रिक ओरिएंटेशन, yes or no, right? American, chasing American dreams, you know, people reach to America, yes or no, right? So that is genocentrism, means likedness for others culture, right? Engineers, you know, in India, engineers in America, isn't it? Engineers, you know, motivated because of likedness for his others culture, American culture, migrate from India to America. So horizontal social mobility, वहां भी जाके इंजीनियर ही रहते, yes or no, या प्रेसिडेंट बन जाते इमीडिएटली? नहीं, इंजीनियर, isn't it? But this involves, you know, mobility, better life chances, yes or no, better life choices, yes or no, in America, better lifestyle, yes or no, in America. So this is horizontal mobility, right?